Hello, welcome to DK Boljat. I'm glad you're here. Today I'm going to start with a new canvas. This is a Blick Premier stretched canvas. It's gallery profile, 1.5 inch, heavy duty frame, cotton duck hand spline, which means it's really nice looking on the back. And it's got titanium white gesso already on it. I usually buy those at Blick. I either order it online or I have them, I go pick them up at the Beaverton store. Anyhow, let me get my sleeves out of the way. I've got clear gesso here, and I'm going to add a little bit of white red to it. This is quinacridone red, added to clear gesso with a little bit of burnt sienna. This is Winsor & Newton. And the quinacridone red is golden. The clear gesso is Liquitex. Mix all those together, a little of each one. Make sort of a earth red, going for an earth red. I'm going to paint that on here. It is gesso, and it is bright. I'm doing it for fun. I plan to paint a painting over it. I want to see what it looks like when I paint the painting over it. This will have gesso in it as well. So it's already been gessoed by the manufacturer. And I'm just crisscrossing that into here. I got to get the sides. Let me pick this up, get the sides. And any part that looks like it's turning pink will dry clear because it is clear gesso. Clear gesso I usually use when I transfer a picture to a painting. If I transfer the image, then if I put clear gesso over it, the lines don't move. It's a nice addition to your sketch. If you sketch in an image and you want to keep it that pristine, you know, you want to keep your lines there no matter what happens as you're painting, then clear gesso would be the answer for that. It dries kind of rough and sandpapery like, but it holds the image underneath it very well. I'm going to add some more quinacridone red to this because it's kind of fading to orange over here. Let me see. Just maybe add a drop or two. There we go. Whoops. How about a little bit more? That is my favorite color, red. It makes a really good pink when you mix white with it. The other ones, like Cad Red, they make a Pepto-Bismol when you mix white with it. And you kind of want a pink that's vibrant, and I think quinacridone makes a really good one. I'm going to get this side. And my plan for this is to have it be a picture of probably a bird. You know me, bird. It's going to be a bird. Top is more orange. Let's get some more pink in there. Hopefully this will just be a suggestion behind the picture when I put in the image. I'm going to get some more and get this corner done. Let's pick you up. I need a spatula to pick you up, huh? There we go. It needs more quinacridone red. It's pretty orange. Let me get that. And it could be quinacridone. I don't know. It's one of those. Put that on there. Anyway, I'm glad you're here with me. I'm going to pick this up. Oh yeah, that's much better. Much better red. It's red. Yeah, no mistake in that. All right, it's on there. I'm going to flip to the last one. And again, this is clear gesso and red. I'll get the rest of it. I don't have music today. Totally spaced the music. Oh well. next time, huh? So I see some parts that are more orange. I'm going to grab a little bit more pink, put them on there. Color done, huh? For the gesso anyway. And then I'll come back here and paint on this. But yeah, I'm glad you joined me. I'll tell you more about the canvas. I don't use other canvases ever since I've learned about the Blick Premier canvases, the stretched canvases. They are excellently made, and they don't have flaws in them. So you can paint the whole painting on it and not worry about it. You know you're going to end up with a good painting. So you know you're starting out well. And even if it costs more than a canvas that you'd buy at a store, or somebody gives you a free canvas stapled at the back, these are made better. The quality's better. So this is what I buy now. This is all I buy to paint on. Might as well start out with a good base, huh? Okay, I'm going to rinse this off, and I'm going to clean out the water, and I'm going to start with a painting as soon as this dries. So I hope you come back and join me for the next video, which will be painting a painting over the top of this. I can see there's an extra ledge there. Let me get that off of there. Let's see if I can get it with my glove. There we go. Little ledge of paint. You got something on there too. Okay, all right. It looks good. I'm going to leave it like that, and I'm going to come back and I will do the painting over the top of this. So I hope you join me. And if you like process videos, please like this video and subscribe to my channel, DK Boljat. Thank you so much, and God bless you, my friend.